My sister bought a new car yesterday. It's got a basso out gold we're feeling like Have both made TikTok. They call you a key.
What? Not me.
Stop chewing like that. I just want to... Shout out to D's Nuts. Baby, bon appetit. Oh, oh, it's a bit tight on your arms, Daddy. Oh, open your eyes.
Nah. Oh, this is sick.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Guys, yeah, she's outside. I just finished work. My sister bought a new car yesterday. She got a new car. She's come to show us what it looks like. I don't know. I just posted this. Follow us on TikTok. Look how nice it is. Okay guys, you guys. Why is this never focusing?
Excuse me.
Huh? Is this ever focus or is it
Get in the car.
Open. Open, Sio.
Oh.
Holy moly. This is so good. What does Evan think?
Going for a drive?
What does Evan think?
No, it's on the side. He loves it.
Oh, I could easily squish at the back if I wanted to. Look, there's a seat at the back here. Is there a charger port here for me?
There's one here, and then there should be at the back. And they've even got seat warmers.
Oh, I like this shade. Oh, it's part of the car.
Yeah, is Siaosi
That's
coming?
weird. No, he said I'll go.
Oh.
Yeah, you could just pull up this. Yeah. That's pretty fancy schmancy. Got the sunroof.
Is Aussie coming?
Oh, so are you coming? Fancy schmancy, guys. This is so cool. We could do a mukbang in here. Oh my gosh, the aesthetic in this car is so good. The lighting from the roof is like perfect.
Yeah, you
Oh yeah. Is this the car that Uelese and Ingrid have?
Like, look.
It looks too small for them.
We went to get last night with Mum and Dad.
What did they think of it?
When Sia plays her music, like Siaosi's car, the person's thing comes up.
Yeah.
Then he was saying, for ages we went and dropped off like Papa to Mum's like, yeah, I finally my car. She's like, sorry, whatever, off my kiki if I pay. Well, I hadn't been there, so I come back in the day. I saw my little car came off for Ilumbai. Oh,
So funny.
yeah, it was funny when he said it.
Yeah, they really like it. They were just cracking jokes the whole time.
It thinks there's someone in the middle.
Why? What's in the middle?
I don't know, because Aussie's ass is too big.
It's got
a basso out gold we're feeling like Have. Quale masana. Qua no masan.
Finger Sunday.
Yeah, what is wrong with your phone?
I don't know. I think I turned off the screen somehow.
On.
Yeah, even people can fit back there.
What on?
Here.
I could even squeeze back there if I wanted to, couldn't I, Aussie? Molly, stop fiddling with everything. I just wish the sunroof was bigger. Like came back to us.
So you mean you can put your phone down and charge it?
That's what I was trying to figure out. Is
Vicky.
it charging? Because it goes all the way down.
What model is this?
This is a CX-9 GTSP.
Oh my gosh, my phone is charging.
Oka GTM APCT. This is a lake that Aussie and I walk around. Oh, if it focuses. If it focuses, you can see it.
You guys should just put your
There you go.
shopping bags.
No, I don't like to shop under pressure.
Why? What pressure?
I just like to take my time. I don't want anyone waiting on me. Maybe we can get some drinks or something.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, maybe even a bubble tea or something. Ooh, now you're talking. You have to click on the reel
Why?
to watch it.
Why can't I just watch it like that?
Because it only goes for 15 seconds.
Oh.
I cut my wife's hair.
Turn it up.
Friend gone wrong.
Are you actually dumb? Oh! It's not funny, Uelese. Wow.
She just started laughing straight away.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Who's that?
It's Uelese.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, I did it today. I was like editing. I was like, Uelese, come here, come here. We practiced so many times and then I was like, no, I'm going to get this one.
That doesn't even sound like him.
Yeah, because he's going, you better like this video. Guys, we came to have some dobbies and we were going to get some cha time, but you have to order via the app, which is really annoying. But we're going to have some vitamin D. Everyone's eating their pastries. I just feel like something refreshing and cold, so let's download this app, shall we? I mean, you have. That's what the guy was saying. When you get a crack, it's extended across this way.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Georgie over here. Snacky girl over there.
I'm just slaving away in the kitchen. Babe, can you point it so that you're in the middle?
Yeah, I'm in the middle.
No, you don't need to move your arm. Just move the angle of the camera. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Uelese and I have both made TikToks. Mine's Victoria Key.
Yeah.
And we did
She
this
got
TikTok.
a TikTok as well. Not me. I don't like TikTok, you know.
Uelese's got stop chewing like that. I just want to go look on your arm.
Don't like TikTok, you know.
I hate when people chew like this. His Fortnite name is Fortnite. His TikTok name is Uelese Key, and we just posted a TikTok that was like smooth rocking,
Yeah.
smart talking.
Yeah. Go, girl. So yeah, it's Friday, and it's bad weather this week. Hailstorm last night. We're gonna go to see mom and dad and family other side. And hope you guys enjoy this vlog. We put more videos up, guys, right now. Hope you guys enjoy it. And if you have any ideas or any stuff you want to do on videos or
Challenges or pranks.
challenge or prank, if you have a prank idea, so message her or me if you like Team Uelese or her Team Victoria. So yeah, and if you have a challenge or some Q&A question, just comment down below, guys.
Guys, it is crazy thundering at the moment. Lightning everywhere, but it's lightning hard out. I've got a crack in my windscreen already, and I've already called insurance. They're meant to be coming sometime next week. But look at this. I honestly hate the sound of thunder. It scares me. It's scary. Holy crap. And do the left side as well.
Yeah, cool.
The hails aren't that big, the hail. See that, like, they're just little pebbles.
Yeah, do you hear me?
But look at my I feel like it's extended. The crack has actually extended. Lucky we brought it in. Can you see it? It's gone. Good morning, guys. Morning. So we're on our way to the farmers market. Our Saturday ritual, routine, whatever you want to call it. Going to the farmers market. I really did not want to go because I was quite tired. I went to sleep really late last night. So did Uelese, but you know. And then after the farmers market, we're probably going to go in and pick up some stuff for the challenge. You guys will see. Hey Georgie. Oh yeah, and also guys, we did say in the last vlog that we would karaoke a song that you guys had in mind. So we did have 2 requests. The first one that we seen, yeah baby, yeah baby. Guys, this is a jam. This is a jam. This is like an old song, but it's resurfaced because it's on TikTok doing the rounds, so that's okay. We'll just start it from here. Shout out to D's Nuts. D's Nuts.
These nuts.
D's Nuts. D's Nutty Nuts. Anyways, if you go to this video, read the first comment. Oh, I was cracking up. Cracking up. Please forgive me some Tongans. I'm still trying to learn the way you pronounce your hio, hoi, hongio.
Only me, I know how to pronounce.
Baby, ke ilo ia mai. Follow taue asi e kunofo e moe manako. I literally realized I was like saying the same thing over and over again. And I was like, it's so hard, but it's literally, I'm just meant to just repeat myself. But it's hard. I got confused because the tunes are different every run. Ana e kokoe pe mani mani ikahata ahene tene toe lakatasi lakasi.
Mama, what fuck your passion?
I need some Tongan lessons.
I'll treat you how.
Oh, babe, you should hear him. Okay, the next time when he comes in, I'm not going to sing the chorus. I literally am going off what this is saying, like, baby, ilo ia mai. This guy, he's obviously memorized what he thinks it says in his head, because he told me he used to listen to it all the time in Samoa. I'm like, that's not, what you're singing is not what this says. He's like, because he's saying that Tongans use a lot of he. Only opportunity he gets to have the he puts it in there like heni he keke hiro he haoma. Maka so. Back on the road, guys. There's like a Tongan word for this move. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Like, come on, Aussie, show me what you got. Then, if you can speak Tongan, then show me.
Follow that way, I see it no for more
Tell me who sang it more correctly. I don't want to say better because everyone's going to say Aussie. Tell me who sang it more correctly, more precise.
You not even know how to sing.
Yeah, it's not Hilo. Is it Hilo, guys? All my Tongan brothers and sisters, is it Hilo or Ilo? Ilo.
Ilo.
Baby, keke ilo.
Yeah, Ilo, that's what I'm saying.
You're saying hilo. Baby, keke hilo. You're saying hilo.
Yeah, I like Kusa.
It's ilo.
It's so the same.
Tell me it's me, guys. Tell me it's me.
What is Lord?
I know how to speak Tongan. I'll be like, baby, keke ilo, mate. Follow that way. I see a kunafo mo manako. I know Tongan. Yeah. Can I push back? Yep. We just finished from the farmer's market, guys. And I bought a pastry. I really wasn't. I haven't bought a pastry from here in the last 3 or 4 weeks. But today I caved and I didn't have my normal cinnamon scroll, but this is a pistachio custard. Also had a raisin scroll. I hate raisins in pastries. Ugh. The custard in this is divine.
Look. He put his body on the line. Pounds for pounds. Oh, like a beautiful was.
Bon appetit. I'm like the laziest stepper ever. If I step in the morning and it doesn't count my steps, I will literally go like this and like add my steps. Yeah, his name's Kelvin, not Kevin. There's got an L there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Kelvin.
Babe, you always say that's what I'm saying when that's not what you said. You guys, we're finally home now. I'm about to put away our shopping. Happy we got our challenge stuff. But shout out to Happy Vegemite for our new TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. My name's Bikolia Key. And Aussie's is Osi Key. Guys, look what else I found from our local Asian store. These you get from Samoa. Aussie's been crying and crying about it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I found it. Oh my god. This is the worst part of going to the farmers market. Alright, look at this valley.
Hey, let's go.
So guys, we're heading off to go and get Aussie's jersey, Panther jersey. Look, don't at this point. I know I still haven't done my Shein haul at this point in time, but I plan to do it this weekend. This weekend is a long weekend. I also took a whole week off work because I need it. I need to de-stress. I need to focus on this channel and the direction on where we want to head. But you guys just know that more content is coming. My lovely ladies and gentlemen, I've got my chicken here defrosting. I'm about to make some chicken soup tonight. And thank you to everyone and their lovely comments on the previous videos that have come. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate your support. Thank you for going along with this code word that I've got going on at the moment. But I'm going to place a code word right now in the middle of the vlog just to see, because I've been doing it at the end. But what's the code word, babe? This is the code word.
Words. Yeah, for
right?
this vlog.
So all you need to do is comment the code word, your comment and your PayPal account. If you don't want to, then obviously don't. But if you do, then let me know. These are the jellies. We got like heaps of jelly for our challenge. These are the ones we got first, and then I actually found the ones that we need. But these straws, I want to give these ones to my nephews. They're so cool. I always see these on like ASMR channels. Let me cut it open for you real quick. Guys, yeah. How awesome is this? Guys, so we're on our way now, obviously, and I quickly just picked up an order. Like I made another order for Darnell, because Darnell, my nephew, also goes for Panthers, and he doesn't have like any of their merch or anything like that. So on the way, we thought might as well just buy him one as well. So that is so much better. I just cleaned the lens. It looks so clear now. Well,
let's get it. Let's get it,
Panthers. Let's get it. Hule, banana, da da da, hule, banana, bam bam ba, hule. Ah, Maya. Yeah. This is our reality. Coming back from Trinity, Malae.
Ben for all day.
O sponsor nga o elephanta.
Sponsor maar als jou het bent.
Ja, kom je aan logo sela we just see if me sponsor.
See that?
I see it, baby. How does this work? So at the moment we've all just got click and collect. This is the setup for click and collect. We've got Darnell the same size. Only because the season's finished. You open it. Only because the season's finished, so he can wear it next year and he'll obviously be growing. Just rip it open, please.
Been for all day. All day, baby.
Oh, maybe we should have got Darnell the large.
Looks big, baby.
Yeah. Nah, actually no.
Looks.
Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, it's a bit tight on your arms, Daddy. Oh. Oh, a bit tight on the arms,
Stephen
baby.
Brighton, Jerome White, Planto, Spencer and Neil.
Karaoke, nephew, Cleary, Show. Nice size, perfect size for your big guns, baby.
Let's go, baby. Get that win for me. Get that win for me, baby.
All right, let's go give Darnell his. We're coming for you, Darnie. A little surprise for you. You got no idea, boy. You got no idea. I'm waiting for my pumpkin pie. Darnell said he's gonna make us all pumpkin pie. Mans are still waiting to do it. Hey, Minnie Mon, Binny Bon, Ginny John, Eddie Betty, Betty Getty Getty, Shetty Betty.
Hi, Uelese.
Well, young Abby, me, Sam, what's it?
Vicky's screaming!
I got a present for you.
What is it?
Vicky!
Hold on.
What is it?
Just open it. Close your eyes and open it. Open your eyes.
Boy, nah. Oh, this is sick.
Yeah, we bought it for you.
Oh, thank you. I'm showing that. I'm definitely showing that this.
Oh yeah, because Darnell, my brother, goes for the bunnies. Take it off. Take off your jacket. Yeah, because Leslie goes for bunnies, so they're gonna go head to head. 2 hours later, we're still waiting for someone to go and get the ingredient for Darnell's pumpkin pie. Hey Nell, what's up? Look at my hair.
Who's Nell? I'm Stephen Crichton.
Oh, show them your Stephen Crichton signature. Oh.
What's up, guys? Well, we're about to make some pumpkin pie. My mom's recipe. Move, guys, move. It's my mom's recipe. Just we got the pumpkin running. Got all our ingredients.
Hey, cutie patootie, my duty. How are we, tabatita? No, this is not to eat, darling. Yucky. Ooh, huh?
I made this one all by myself.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Take them out and place them properly. Ooh. Yum, what are those?
This is my pumpkin pie I made all by myself.
Where did you get these from?
And that's the cream I'm gonna put on.
We've got a lot of food for the kiddies. Got Mills and Grills pizza. I love these pizza. Kingsley's. Oh yeah, baby. This is all locally Canberra takeaways. Guys, I'm just on the puzzle, but the pumpkin pie is ready. We've been waiting a very long time for this. Yes, we have. It smells very spicy. I can smell the nutmeg, definitely. Here it goes. That is good. It's definitely got a kick. I can taste the spice, but then it's like savory but sweet. That's good. Well done now.
Thank you.
Well done.
Well done to see ya.
I want to see your reaction of your hard work.
I hear I do you proud, Mum. Yep, exactly as I remember it. It's so good.
What a better?
No, it is. It's
Why did you hesitate for a second? Did you think yours? Okay, who did it better? Who does it better, you or your mum?
Definitely my mum.
Huh?
My mum, for sure.
Yeah.
But
you did a really good job.
yeah,
Should be proud of yourself.
everyone liked it, so I'm not complaining.
Wow.
You guys didn't hear that from the commentary.
And then Zaya also helped. That guy was getting so jealous, saying, Zaya, just go sit down. Why you didn't want him to help? He didn't want to share any credit. No, you know what his excuse was? He goes, this is mine and your bonding board.
So this is really nice.
It wasn't too sweet. It was like a really nice creamy. The cream was really nice. But Darnell's one is actually added to the pie.
Yeah, mine went. I had to lay it out by myself.
Well, now you can make it at home, darling.
Yeah. Ossie, how did you think of my pumpkin pie?
Yeah, very nice. Spot on. Spot on.
Guys, we just got home not long ago, and my package from Big W came. It literally took 3 weeks, but I ain't complaining because I know we're only working on click and collect at the moment here in Canberra. Click and collect and delivery, and at the moment I don't think BW was doing click and collect, so I had to wait 3 weeks for it to come, but whatever. I got this upgrade pack, NutriBullet, and if you have a NutriBullet, like my NutriBullet wore out a long time ago, like these containers, so they have like an upgrade package where you don't need to buy a whole new blender again. You can just upgrade your cups, and it comes with one of these. It's called an extractor blade. So this is what I got, guys. And I got 2 cups. I'm excited. Look, when the older you get, it's just the small things that excite you. So that's where we're at. I'm coming in today to do a comment of the day because I'm feeling very motivated to do so. So there were so many comments on Aussie's prank that he did on me. Tonight I'm just going to give it to the top 3 most liked. And so this first one had 109 likes, and it's from Ethic. Haha, the fact that he actually cut it makes it more hilarious. Thank you, Ethic, for your comment. The next one is Dan and June. My girl, Zanny Zan. She said, okay, putting myself on a personal break to watch this. Bahahaha. And then the third most liked comment is from Jazzy Lee 886, when he actually cut her hair, then wanted to do it again to straighten it up. Don't worry. Ooh, Aussie, you better. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. Like, I've got props. I've got like people involved. Just wait, guys. Just wait. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support, for your kind words, for everybody's feedback, even on my slightly regretted latest upload. I didn't mean to open that can of worms. I honestly was not my intention to tell anyone what to do or what to believe. At the end of the day, everyone's going to believe whatever they want to believe, based on what's before them. So I wasn't trying to change anyone's mind. I was literally just sharing our situation and what we're going through, and that's all I'm gonna say on that. So love and light, guys, from Aussie and Victoria. I'll see you guys in the next bloody one. SV Squad signing out.